and welcome from our tent here in the Netherlands. Today we decided that we are going to vacation Dutch style, so I decided to spend a weekend in the tent. And every single Dutch person that I have spoken to about this camping speaks really highly of them, so I thought there might be something exciting. Oh, vada dete, toddler mom duties. Anyways, so I thought that there might be some exciting or adventure to this way of vacationing, so let's explore it. We are here in the tent for like 2 days, so let's see how it goes. Quickly, I'll give you the tour of the tent. This is how the tent looks from outside. There are quite a few tents here and children playing and everything. Let's go inside. Area where you can put your chairs and everything, and then there is this area where we have the kitchen, the dining table. I think we'll be setting it up outside. And we also have working gas, which is awesome. Then a refrigerator, a coffee machine, a heater, and a fan, and some basic necessities like the tea pot, kettle, blah blah blah. Some brooms, and here is the bedroom situation. We have a big bed here, which is a double bed, and then we have two single beds on this side. We have just directly booked the tent from this website, which I'll leave here. It's called Rent a Tent, because when you go for camping, there are a lot of things that you need to take, and honestly, we are still trying this way of vacationing, so we don't know whether. So we didn't want to spend a lot of money upfront, so we decided let's go into a tent which is already equipped with everything that one might need in a tent, and then let's see how it goes from there. For the first time in my life ever, I have slept in a tent. But it was nice to just wake up in the morning and then look at this beautiful view. And I think we are the only ones getting up at 7 a.m. on a vacation here, because it's very quiet here. People are still asleep, and that's why I'm kind of speaking a bit softly so that we don't wake our neighboring tent neighbors. But today the agenda is to go and explore this campsite, see what all it has to offer, because I've been told that you can vacation for like a week here, and you have a lot of activities that you can do. So that is what we are going to find out, what we have. So now I'm about to get ready, have some breakfast, and then let's go and explore this campsite together. Look how beautiful it is. So we are ready. We had our chaha bread, which is very important for me, at least. Chaha is very important even if I'm camping. And now we are off to see all the activities that this campsite has to offer. Multiple campsites across the country. They have different types of activities, but so I'm just going to go and check out the kids club area now. Activity, let's do something that is fun for all of us. So that's why we have now come to do boating. It is such a beautiful weather. It's not sunny, although it's not but it's still a bit warm and there is a lot of breeze. So yeah, we actually wanted and lotus, yeah, we actually wanted one of those like the swan boats, but that's okay because these are like a bit more cleaner than those. It's almost half day here at the campsite. We have been having so much fun. We are not having afternoon nap, which is a very big deal for me. Not for my kid, but for me. But anyways, we highly underestimated the amount of snacks we would need while we are on a campsite. And that's why we are now going to a supermarket, nearby supermarket, getting some snacks. And then it would be the most interesting activity for which I have been waiting for so long, and that is swimming, because this campsite has both indoor as well as outdoor swimming. But first, snacks. Finally, it is time to go for some swimming. I am ready with my swimming dress, and the best part is here there are both types of swimming, indoor swimming as well as outdoor swimming. First, we are going to try outdoor swimming, see how it goes. But of course, I'll show you both. So it's not, these are not the activities that we have planned, it is just amongst the activities of the campsite. So if you are also booking a campsite, just check their website what all activities they have. And I'm not even the main part or the main exciting part of this camping is for me is actually cooking the dinner with whatever we have, eating snacks, sitting outside in the nature. And I'm happy that we booked a tent, because then the tents are like close to each other and they are like in the middle of the ground, so it feels like you are in a forest sitting outside and enjoying everything. But before that, let me just give you the view of this open swimming area. It is breathtaking, it's amazing. Next morning, our bags are packed. We are leaving the campsite for the first time. I think it was a very good experience. No, acha. Being the first time, it was a very good experience. I was really nervous whether I would be able to adjust in a campsite or not, but I did, because the campsite was really amazing. I'll leave the name of this site here. And living in a tent, like of course has its own challenges, but the vibe definitely was very cozy, sleeping in a tent. And it rained so much yesterday that I could it rained so much yesterday, but still it was really nice and cozy. So I think I am ready for the next campsite adventures. I would rather prefer a cabin over a tent, but overall I think it was just an amazing experience. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next vlog with some more Dutch experience like the one that was today, which is like vacationing like the Dutch on a campsite. See you guys, take care, bye.